Welcome to this beautiful bungalow situated at a quiet cul-de-sac. The front entrance is spacious and has easy access to the garage. This lovely kitchen is bright and inviting with vaulted ceilings. The dining area is spacious and had French doors leading to the sun deck. Relax in the inviting, serene living room with a beautiful bay window. The clean, bright master oasis has convenient access to the main bathroom. This cozy bedroom is perfect for the kids or company. Enjoy another inviting bedroom that is bright and cheery. The main bathroom has plenty of counter space and room to get ready. The fully finished basement has a cozy family room for the kids to romp around. Enjoy the extra room for the kids' toys and books. This little nook is the perfect office space. Enjoy the convenience of another bathroom for the family to use. This spacious laundry room has lots of extra storage space. The beautiful backyard comes with a shed and sundeck deck. This yard is fully fenced and spacious with room for the kids or pets to run around. Enjoy the perennials and privacy fence already done. Grow your own veggies in this lovely garden plot. The landscaping continues in the front yard. This home has lovely curb appeal. Welcome home.